Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the navigation bar, the CMF Phone 1. If you don't like the gestures, you can change to the navigation bar. Let me show you how. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time and then tap here on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to go to the point System, and here we will need the gestures. Okay, now we will need the first point, navigation mode. So actually it is on gesture navigation. Now if you want to change it to the navigation bar, you need to tap here on 3-button navigation. And now we're having here our navigation bar. If you want to have the back symbol here on this side, then just tap here on the symbol for the settings. And you can change it, no? That's the back button here is on the right side. No? Anyhow, what you want, you can choose it here. After, just go back to the home screen, and yeah, now you're having your navigation bar. Basically, yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.